You wake up in the morning and still feel tired. Not just sleepy, but heavy, sluggish, bloated. Your body feels like it didn't reset overnight. And you start wondering, am I doing something wrong? Here's something most people don't realise. Your liver does its most important repair work while you sleep. But what you eat at night can either support that healing or completely block it. So even if you're trying to eat healthy during the day, your nighttime habits might be the reason. Your energy stays low, your belly fat won't go away, your liver enzymes remain high, your body feels inflamed. But here's the good news. With the right foods at night, you can actually help your liver. Detox more efficiently, burn fat while you sleep, reduce inflammation, repair damaged cells. Let's walk through the best nighttime foods that support liver healing and how to use them the right way. First, why nighttime eating matters. At night, your body shifts into repair mode. Your liver is filtering toxins, breaking down fat, balancing hormones, regenerating cells. But if you eat heavy, sugary, or processed foods before bed, your liver switches from healing mode to damage control mode. Instead of repairing, it's busy trying to process sugar, fats, and toxins. That's why what you eat at night matters just as much, if not more, than what you eat during the day. Food number 1, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, these are powerful nighttime allies. They help flush toxins, support bile production, reduce inflammation. They're also light and easy to digest, which means your liver can focus on healing instead of heavy digestion. Simple idea. Add sautéed spinach with garlic or a light green salad at dinner. Food number 2, fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory nutrients. They help reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, support fat burning overnight. Instead of storing fat, your body starts using it. Best option, grilled or baked fish for dinner, not fried. Food number 3, garlic. It may be small, but garlic is powerful. Garlic activates liver enzymes that help your body eliminate toxins. It also contains sulfur compounds that protect liver cells. Add fresh garlic to your cooking instead of relying on heavy sauces. Food number 4, tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. They help reduce oxidative stress, protect liver cells, support detox pathways. Cooked tomatoes are even more effective. Think tomato sauce with olive oil, stewed tomatoes with vegetables. Food number 5, healthy fats, especially olive oil. Healthy fats don't harm your liver, they protect it. Extra virgin olive oil helps reduce inflammation, improve fat metabolism, prevent fat buildup in the liver. Drizzle it over vegetables or use it in cooking. Small amount, big impact. Food number 6, berries. Smart nighttime sweet option. If you crave something sweet at night, this is your best choice. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are low in sugar, high in antioxidants, protective against liver damage. Instead of dessert, try berries with plain yogurt or nuts. Food number 7, herbal tea or lemon water. What you drink at night matters just as much. Avoid soda, juice, alcohol. These overload your liver. Instead, choose warm lemon water, herbal teas, green tea. They support hydration and help your liver detox more efficiently. What to avoid at night? This is critical. Even one wrong habit at night can slow your progress. Avoid fried foods, heavy carbs like white bread and pasta, sugary snacks, late night overeating, alcohol. These force your liver into overwork instead of repair. Simple nighttime liver-friendly meal example. Here's a simple dinner that supports liver healing. Grilled salmon, steamed spinach with olive oil and garlic, a small portion of quinoa, herbal tea or lemon water, berries for dessert. Light, balanced healing. Bonus tips for maximum liver repair at night. Eat at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Keep meals light and balanced. Avoid overeating. Stay hydrated. Get quality sleep. Because even the best foods won't help if your sleep is poor. Final thought. Your liver is always working for you, even when you're asleep. But it can only repair as much as you allow it to. Every night you have a choice. Feed the damage or feed the healing. Start simple. Add 1 or 2 of these foods tonight. Stay consistent and let your body do what it was designed to do. Heal. If you found this helpful and want more simple, powerful tips on healing your body through food, follow this page, Eat to Heal, for more videos that help you take control of your health naturally.